This is Cash Cow Artist, the show where I travel all around my city doing the smallest jobs that have the biggest payouts. I've done everything from junk removal to mortar repair. As long as it's a small job and I can make 50 to 100 bucks an hour or more doing it, I'm in. It's a model that can be applied to any service business and is perfect for people who want to make a lot of money in a laid-back way. It also doesn't hurt that there's always plenty of free time for hobbies and hanging out. Now that I've discovered the good life, I'm never going back. And if you're looking for the same thing, I invite you to come along for the ride.